We are looking at the LA Girl Nudes eyeshadow palette in this video. So this is a combination of both matte and shimmer shadows, and I'm just going to apply a few of them onto my eye look here. So I've just started with a matte at the crease, kind of a nude light brown color, just to keep it kind of daytime. And then I'm going to take a shimmer tone, you can see this kind of a rose gold shimmer, and apply that both at my inner eye and then at a little bit at the mid eye as well, just to get the desired look that I enjoy. It just kind of pops and make your eyes open a little bit more. So these are all lead free, and that one was a shimmer tone, and I'm taking one more shimmer too to just kind of build on that lighter color there. So definitely buildable shadows. It also comes with a brush, so you've got a dual-ended brush with a sponge applicator as well as a brush, and a mirror included. Definitely love this, great value, check it out.